Everybody wants to be a trainer. Everybody wants to make a difference and make a lot of money. Everybody wants to do a webinar and sell their training courses. But let me tell you something. The biggest lie ever told and ever sold is that anybody can become a trainer. I'm sorry. Seeing the coaching and training industry evolving in India, I can tell you that this is not the industry for everyone. This is the industry only for those who have an authentic expertise and subject matter depth. If you don't have the authentic expertise and subject matter depth, this industry is not for you. And if you have that subject matter depth and you have depth in what you teach, then I invite you to the trainer growth webinar, where I'm going to show you what is the pathway to optimize the impact on your participants and also increase your income. This is only for people who genuinely have their distinct authentic expertise, because there is no get rich quick scheme in this industry. There are no 90-day success stories in this industry.